Hi, it's me, Greg Shapiro, the American Netherlander, with a 2018 election challenge. Can I register to vote online, because the deadline is like tomorrow, in less time than it takes to order a Happy Meal at McDonald's? Here I am going online to votefromabroad.org, and here I am at McDonald's. So here's the starting page where they want to know your status, which is important so they know which kind of ballot to send you. And off we go. And here we go at McDonald's. It's in Dutch. Whatever. Okay, identification type, choice of ID, social security number, please. And what type of sandwich do I want? Happy Meal McFish with ketchup? Ugh. Meanwhile, look, I'm already at how would you prefer to receive your blank ballot? Email online as quick as possible. Party affiliation, that's only important if you want to vote in the primary next time. Meanwhile at McDonald's, also almost finished. We're ready to pay, but there's a problem with the card reader machine. Have to start over. But look, here I'm already completing my registration request. 3 things you have to do. You have to download the form, you have to print it out, and you have to sign and date it. If you want to send it by post, look, they even put the address of my county clerk's office. Or you scan the thing with your computer or your mobile device and email it directly to the county clerk. As soon as you're done with your voter registration, you might as well send in your absentee ballot request at the same time. And I finally got my Happy Meal. They forgot the toy, but hey, at least they didn't accidentally give me that gross McFish with ketchup. The final result! Yeah, it took me slightly more time to register online than to order a Happy Meal. But the satisfaction of eating a Happy Meal lasts only for a few minutes before the hours of inevitable digestive regret. Whereas the regret of not voting in 2018 will last a lifetime.